Hi, and welcome back to another weekly family dinner video. It is Monday, and for dinner tonight we are having spaghetti. I have my pot on, getting ready to boil for my noodles. Friday was our wedding anniversary, and for our anniversary my husband bought me a new stove. A nice double oven one. So excited. It's got the griddle on top. Bless you! My husband made pancakes on it yesterday and they turned out wonderful. So that is my pretty new oven. Okay, so let's do dinner. So for tonight's spaghetti, I am using this beef smoked sausage. Normally I use turkey sausage, but my grocery store didn't have any. They substituted the beef. For our sauce, I'm going to use a 29-ounce can of tomato sauce. I have a 28-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. Add in a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of basil. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic. I'm just going to give it a stir. We like olives, so I always add in chopped olives. We're just going to stir this all together and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, we're just going to put the lid on and turn it to low. We're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. Our sauce has been simmering for 5 minutes, so we are going to give it a stir. We're going to let it simmer for about 5 more minutes. Okay, our sauce has been simmering for 10 minutes. So now we are going to put our sausage back in. I just put my sausage on a napkin so that it will drain some of the grease off. We're just going to let it simmer for another 5 minutes just to warm our sausage back up. Okay, our sauce has been simmering for 15 minutes, so it is all done. Okay, so we're just going to mix our spaghetti all up. It is Wednesday, and for dinner tonight we are just having chicken and dumplings. I did not put any biscuits in my chicken dumplings. I just like to put a crescent roll on the side. Well, that is our dinner for tonight. It is Friday night, and for dinner tonight we are having chicken stew in the crock pot. Last night I had a migraine and I did not feel like filming dinner. I have 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2½ teaspoons of Italian seasoning, some pepper. We're just going to just going to stir to coat the chicken with the butter and olive oil. Add 1 can of cut green beans. You can use fresh or frozen, whatever you got. Okay, you need a small onion. I am just using half a cup of frozen onion. Okay, some frozen carrots. I'm using frozen. You can use fresh. You can use baby carrots, whole carrots, and cut them up. I have 3 about small to medium potatoes. Okay, you're going to stir this up. Okay, so I mixed together a cup of milk, a can of cream of chicken soup, a cup of sour cream, and a packet of ranch dressing mix to make the soup, brothy part of the stew, I guess. Yes, now we're going to mix it together. So the recipe says to cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours. My 6 hours on my crock pot is high, so I just normally use 6 hours on my crock pot. So that's what we are going to go with. Here is our chicken stew. So I will just butter some bread to go with it. Trevor. He is Owen's baby box turtle. Hi.